We're always hearing about new tech, but it feels like something huge is happening in industry right now. Is this really a new industrial revolution?
Absolutely. It's the fourth industrial revolution, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. Historically, we've had the steam engine, then electricity. Now it's the age of industrial AI, digital twins, and advanced robotics, and Europe is at the forefront. Imagine building a factory entirely in a virtual world first. NVIDIA Omniverse isn't just visualizing a building, it's a blueprint for AI factory digital twins, allowing companies like BMW and Mercedes-Benz to plan and optimize everything from assembly lines and robot placements to energy efficiency and supply chain flows before physical construction begins. This radical approach reduces errors, accelerates development, and cuts costs dramatically, thanks to data-driven simulations and optimization with complex computational fluid dynamics for things like airflow analysis.
So, basically creating a perfect virtual copy of something real before it's even built? That's next level. But where do the robots come in?
That's the next frontier. These dynamic digital twins serve as the ultimate robot gyms. Companies like Schaeffler and Agile Robots are training collaborative robots and autonomous mobile robots in these virtual environments. This includes everything from robotic arms doing assembly work, like with Moon Surgical or Universal Robots, to humanoids navigating complex factory floors, like Menti Robotics, or delivering goods in warehouses, Node Robotics, Argo Robotics. This preparation allows them to learn complex tasks, integrate seamlessly, and ensure safety long before they ever touch physical products or work alongside humans in real factories, thereby also helping to close the global labor shortage gap. It's fundamentally reimagining every part of industry, a powerful fusion of the physical and virtual world, setting a new benchmark for efficiency and productivity across the continent.